I'm gonna show how to emboss the smooth blank faceplate that comes with both the anime figure as posted in this video and also dummy 13 blank faces. Here is an example. It's the blank face. I've embossed the eyes on on it before printing, and that helped me hand paint it. But it also works if you don't want to paint but don't want to have a blank face either. You're gonna search for either anime expressions, anime faces, something like that. I'm gonna grab one example that's it gotta be like this: the face looking straight ahead with no details. Like this with the face won't work. Um, this with it slightly looking to the side will not work either. It gotta be like that, looking straight ahead. And you're gonna choose what face will work for your project. I have a print screen tool that helps me, but you can also save the image and crop it. I'm gonna print screen. I'm gonna select this one, for example. I'm gonna save the image. Let's save it on desktop. Now you're gonna go to Inkscape, which is a free software, an archive, import. You will import your image. Okay, doesn't need to be too big on this screen. What I do recommend is that since you're gonna be printing the faceplate upside down on the flat surface, I recommend at this stage that you turn it upside down. Can increase the size a little bit to make it easier here. And then you're gonna go to path, trace bitmap. Here's an example of the finished product. You can mess with the sliders until it looks good to you. The higher the resolution of the image you get, the better this will be. This one's it's not that good, but it will work for an example. And then you apply. And then you can see it generated a black image. You're gonna drag it to the side, delete the original one, drag it back to the front. This is the one you're gonna use. Then you're going to archive, export, and you're gonna save it as an SVG file. Choose where you wanna save it. Then you're gonna go to your slicer. Here's Proja slicer because it has the tool I need. You're gonna go to add negative volume SVJ. You're gonna choose the SVJ file you had just created. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. And yeah, it's not centered. Try to put it about where the forehead is. Just center it. And you're gonna scale it until it fits. I'm gonna have to mess with this a little bit. Okay, it's too small. Let's increase the size a little bit. Center better. And then you're gonna click Use Surface. It will match the image to your surface. Yeah, this face of shoes is not a good example. It doesn't fit that well. I'm gonna make it work through. Okay, you gotta put it about in the middle. Then for depth, you're gonna go to either 0.3 to 0.5 depending on the details you want. It's about that range. Cut is marked, and that's it. When you slice the file, you're gonna see that you have the face details embossed, and then this will print as a relief on the face plate, and it will make easier to paint.